coming up here. Let's see what kind of air you can get off the top of that. Here,
I know.
See how much time you get up here. Look at the
Not sure.
Coming up on top in the air.
Whoa! Yes! He finally made it!
I know.
Now he made two!
Yeah.
There's two good guys?
They're two good guys. Yep.
They're having fun?
Yeah, they're having loads of fun.
They're fun?
Are you having fun?
Yeah, in
Okay.
a park.
Ah.
I think the trial has really been about natural obstacles. I really think the trial is about natural obstacles. And so I would like to present these guys with a natural obstacle here. In the crowd, I really don't have a lady to help me out. So I'd like to ask Brandon to come out here and join me right now. It's just no longer just a bodyguard out here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to ask her to become a natural obstacle.
Big one.
Oh, look.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to ask you live now. Right here, what is this?
This is look like a trophy.
Right down here. What's going to
Xander, look, they're putting the guy's girlfriend on the floor.
We're going to take that motorcycle, lower the compression up, and jump up over top of her.
Look at the girl.
Are you an insurance agent? Is that what you guys? This guy's here right down her name. I think that's what's going on. So what he's going to do is he's going to try and pull. Now,
She's not dead. It's the guy's girlfriend.
all right, so he's going to come up here and try to load up.
Whoa, he almost hurt him.
Over top of her.
Why is he laying down?
I don't know. I got to get closer.
There you go. Good jumping. What do you think? Pretty impressive, huh?
Oh boy.
You guys don't seem really impressed by that. So, well, wait a minute, I got an idea. If you're doing nothing, come on out here. I want you to come and lie down here beside her. It's going to be like one of those movie scenes from like Romeo and Juliet where they get crushed by a motorcycle. All those of you. Now, we've got two people here.
Xander, what are you doing?
They're all yelling no. All right, here we go. Dan, have a look here. Jordan already gone. And there you go. Ladies and gentlemen.
I know.
What? What are you talking about one more? We only had two people. No, there's nobody else to go. What do you mean me? No, that's not a good idea. I don't think that's